How to fix Windows 11 taskbar not transparent? Windows 11 newly added a feature that allows users to customize Windows 11 taskbar into transparent via Duct system settings. Although it works for most of them, some Windows 11 users still reported that transparent effect for Windows 11 taskbar not working effectively. We'll show you how to fix Windows 11 taskbar not transparent and how to get the best transparency effect in Windows 11. How to make taskbar transparent on Windows 11. When you encounter the problem that transparency effects option is not available on your Windows 11 devices, or if the transparency effect is not applied to your Windows 11 taskbar, come to follow the solutions here to help you out. Method 1. Restart Windows 11. Reboot system is one of the most effective way to fix the system setting errors. Restart Windows 11 is quick and easy. Click on Win icon on the taskbar, click on the power button on the right hand, choose and click Restart. Then your Windows 11 will reboot automatically to see whether the Windows 11 taskbar has become transparent or not. Method 2. Disable battery saver on Windows 11. Usually the battery saver may cause the Windows 11 taskbar transparency effects not working. Disabling battery saver may help to fix the issue. Follow the detailed steps below. Step 1. Click Win icon on taskbar and choose Settings. Step 2. Choose Disable Battery Saver under System. Step 3. Click Battery to expand the setting, and then click the button to turn on or off Battery Saver. Method 3. Modify Registry Editor on Windows 11. If you want to try this method, we suggest you to seek an experienced one to help you. Step 1. Press Win plus R to launch Run. Step 2. Enter Regedit in the box to launch registry. Step 3. Navigate to computer/HKY_local_machine/Microsoft/Windows/DWM. Step 4. Right-click on the blank area and select New DWORD 32-bit value. Step 5. Name the newly created DWORD as Force Effect Mode and double-click on it. Step 6. Under Value, enter 2. Step 7. Press OK and exit the registry editor. Then you can try to restart your computer again to check whether the taskbar not transparent problem has been fixed or not.
For software and technology news, visit themisosoft.net. For more videos, subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.